Hey guys, how you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to change your dust filter on your 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450. Let's get started. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pull off this seal. It's a big rubber seal and it just slides towards the front of the car and you pull it off. Then you're going to want to lift up on this vent, pull it out. The three tabs for the vent go in right here, and right here. Now you're going to see three locking tabs right here. You're going to pop them, one. Then you're going to pop the other one, two, and then this one pops up, three. Then you're going to want to remove the plastic housing, and you'll expose the air filter. You're going to want to squeeze the air filter with your hand so it pops out. Now you're going to take your new air filter and you're going to place it into the bottom, making sure the airflow is facing towards the back. Pop it in underneath the two tabs, and just make sure it's in there. That's it. Now you're going to take your cover with the two tabs on the bottom. Now when you place it back into place, you'll see the two holes at the bottom of the housing. That's where the tabs need to go. So you're going to take the housing, place it back into place, and put the tabs in the bottom. Then you're going to lock the tab on top, and then lock the other two tabs. This one presses down again. Once it's all locked in, you're going to take the vent cover, and you're going to place the three tabs into the wiper cowling, and then you're going to push down. Then you just take the seal and you'll push it back into place, making sure you tuck the end in where it belongs. And that's it. Please subscribe to the channel, guys, and follow the Instagram page for more Mercedes-Benz content. Thank you.